Transferring funds from Cash App to an external debit card is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete your transfer quickly and easily. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your funds. Step 2. Select the amount. On the home screen, tap on the cash or balance icon. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your external debit card. Step 3. Choose Cash Out. After selecting the amount, look for the option labeled Cash Out. Tap on it to proceed with the transfer process. Step 4. Select your transfer speed. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm your debit card. If prompted, enter the details of your external debit card. Review the information and confirm the transfer to complete the process. After following these steps, your funds should be on their way to your external debit card. Enjoy the convenience of managing your money with Cash App.